Vectorize turns any image into a layered SVG file, so your laser can engrave it color by color, layer by layer. Here's how it works. Head to the main menu and open Toolset. Search for Vectorize, then upload the image you want to work with. On the right side, you'll see a slider that controls how many colors your vector file will have. Move it back and forth until the color selection looks right for your image. In this case, 11 colors gives me everything I need to recreate this image accurately. Hit Export SVG and the download starts automatically. Now import the SVG into your laser software. imag-r has already separated each color into its own layer, so every element is individually editable and movable. On the right side, you can see all the colors I want to reproduce with my 50-watt MOPA fiber laser. I've made the full color palette available for free in our forum. Link is in the description. Now we're ready to start the engraving. I'm working on a stainless steel sheet. The colors are created through controlled oxidation of the steel using different laser settings. No preparation needed, no ink, no paint. It's always incredible to me how precisely you can recreate colors this way. And don't be fooled by the angle. Once you hold the engraving at the right position, the exact colors come through, and the level of detail is remarkable. Try engraving your own image in full color today with the ImagR Vectorize tool, completely free at imag-r.com.